Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the New York City Police Department. There has been reports of cat-like creatures roaming the streets of York City. They have red skin, sharp teeth, razor-sharp claws, horns on the head, spins on the tails, and red glowing eyes. These cats are named blood cats. If you see these cats, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for some news and information about this dangerous situation.
Immediate evacuation for the City of New York. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. The blood cats has spat huge blood puddles at buildings, destroying them. Take food, water, medical supplies, phones, chargers, sleeping bags, blankets, and a battery-powered hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned to CNN for more information about this bloody situation. All clear. The blood cats was killed by a car. A huge rainstorm came in, which resulted in the blood puddles disappearing. You may exit your shelters, but there is some debris on the ground with blood in the debris. We may return to your normal programming.